Is your Gmail inbox a chaotic mess? Do you dread opening your email every day? Or maybe you're constantly missing important messages. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Clutter Care Organizing. I'm Amy Novick, and today I'm going to show you 5 simple and effective ways to stay organized in Gmail. If you're tired of the email overload and want a cleaner, more manageable, and organized inbox, this video is for you. Let's get started. Number 1, categories. Google's automatic categories that you can turn on in settings help you triage your email. You can turn these categories on or off at any time, and they make it very helpful to keep your subscription emails separated from your person-to-person emails. The categories you can choose to turn on include promotions, which is any marketing and promotional emails, which will get pulled out separately. Social, meaning social media networks and websites. Updates, which are auto-generated updates from computer systems like banks, airlines, and more. I do usually leave this category turned off because I want to see these in my primary inbox, but you can choose how you want to set it. Forums are online groups and discussion boards, like my Google Certified Trainers group. When you turn on those categories, they pull out the emails based on those categories out from your primary inbox, leaving your primary inbox to be just person-to-person emails, which is very helpful to make sure you don't miss anything important from a real live person. Number 2, labels. Like folders in other email programs, Gmail labels help you save emails in an organized way and can actually help you get them out of your inbox. Also, just like Google Drive folders, you can color code them. So professional organizers, beware. Number 3, filters. When set up correctly, filters can automatically add labels and/or take an action with an email based on certain criteria. Filters are very powerful if set up correctly based on how you would like your inbox to work. Number 4, aliases. Aliases are nicknames for your email address. You can have up to 30 email aliases for each user. And then you can use your labels and filters based on those aliases. Can you think of some ways to use this in your workflow? Please note, this is also why I rarely advocate for getting another email account, because you can create so many within your one account and save yourself hassle checking many accounts. Number 5, inbox types. I know Gmail users view their email in a variety of locations, including Gmail on a computer, Gmail app on their phone, iPhone mail app, Outlook on their computer, and more. But I highly recommend viewing your Gmail on your computer in a browser and experimenting with the different inbox types. You might find that one of these suits your workflow better than what you're using right now. Probably the default inbox where everything comes in chronological order. Another option is important first, which is based on Google's analytics of your email habits and who you email with often. It would split your inbox into important emails at the top and everything else at the bottom. Unread first is exactly that. All the unread emails are at the top and everything you have already opened would be down below. Starred first is anything that you have starred on the left first, and then everything else at the bottom. Priority inbox lets Gmail sort and prioritize your email for you. This is a tricky one. We'll have to discuss this again later. Multiple inboxes is where you can add up to 5 custom sections that you can view. So I have done clients first, then marketing, then leads, then other. You can choose whatever custom sections you would like, but that means that you are seeing the ones you would like to see first. They are collapsible sections as well. To review, the 5 ways to stay organized in Gmail include email categories, which you can turn on or off, Gmail labels, which act like folders, Gmail filters, which can do very important things automatically based on your criteria, aliases, which are nicknames, and various inbox types, which may be better for your personal workflow. Which of these strategies will you implement first and why? Let me know in the comments below. To learn more tips like this, Register for my online classes where I give all of my best tips and tricks to keep you organized and efficient in all the most important apps. Or join one of my digital organizing workshops to ensure you make time to get organized and have me by your side to give you tips and pointers along the way. If you want help setting up or customizing any app for you or your business, schedule a clarity call with me so we can discuss how I can help you most. All links are below, or visit my website at cluttercare.net. I look forward to helping you succeed.